Here's a gorgeous 60-inch vanity by Fairmont. Fairmont is a great manufacturer, and they make a really beautiful vanity. And this one comes with a matching mirror. So it's a set. You've got the mirror, sink, countertop, and the vanity cabinet. The regular price, if you were to buy all of these from us new, would be $5,299, and that really is a bargain. So let's have a little closer look at the features. All right, down below here we've got a nifty little shelf where you can put towels, bath shoes, whatever you want down there. There are 5 drawers. Okay, oops, looks like we've got some samples of the countertops in the drawers. Okay, so these two open. This one opens. This one has a cutout for the plumbing pipes to go through. And this is a false drawer front because, of course, the sink is on the other side. These do not come with the faucets. Then there's 2 more drawers. This is a beautiful kind of a sandy, beachy color, a little bit of a distressed or weathered wood look. And there's our lovely matching mirror. That mirror looks like it's about 29 inches high. We would be happy to provide exact dimensions for anyone who needed them. Again, this is a 60-inch vanity by Fairmont. It comes with the backsplash as well as the countertop. And the regular price on our website, $5,299. It is in perfect condition. It's just simply been sitting here on our showroom floor. And I forgot to tell you that we can arrange delivery anywhere here in the Treasure Valley for an additional fee.